Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I was craving for some delicious local chicken, so I decided to prepare one. So first off, I cleaned the chicken, removed all the feathers, and then I cut it into smaller pieces, and then I gave it a good wash before putting it into the pot. By the way, what do you call this type of chicken in your area? I absolutely love local chicken because of its rich flavors. So first, as I had put everything in the pot, we are going to begin by adding in salt and then let the chicken cook. The first water that was already in the chicken, and then I added in 1 cup of water and then some crushed garlic. I wanted to create that a flavorful broth, so I let it simmer nicely. For some seasoning it, I kept it simple. Added in some oil so that we fry it a little bit, and I wasn't going to add in too many spices, so I started off by first adding in the onions and then cook until a little brown. And then I added in for seasoning, I added in curry powder and paprika. I don't like adding too many spices to the local chicken because I want its natural taste to stand out. So you don't have to fry it for too long, as the local chicken can become dry and very tough. So you just need that light fry. That is just enough. And then I added in the tomatoes, mix everything. For that thickening soup, I had to dissolve my Royco. Yes, I dissolved the Royco in water, and then I was just tasting to see if the salt was enough. So it wasn't. I had to add in some salt, and then that broth that I had set aside area added in so that we can form the base of my stew. And then I added in as well the dissolved Royco and then let it cook for just a few minutes, and the food was ready. I served with nsima and some vegetables. This was absolutely 10 out of 10. What do you call nsima in your local language? Here in Malawi, we call it nsima. Others still call it pap, others ugali. Just let me know in the comment section. Reaching this far, please like, subscribe, and comment, share. Until next time, it's a bye from me.